What's up, guys? Keitora YYC back here with another unboxing, and I'm super excited about this one. If you know already what these are, I hope you're excited as I am, and if you don't know, you're about to find out real quick. So, Star Shark, what could that be? I see some of you see the JWL logo. That could only mean one thing. Hey, bonus question. If you know what the JWL logo means, without looking it up, drop it down in the comments. Bonus question. So, just going to need to unbox one of them, because you're going to see right away what it is. And I got super excited already, and got started on this one, so stand by as we get to the unboxing. Ooh, it's round. Alright. There we go. So they're SSR Star Shark by Colin project, and these are going to be for the Suzuki Carry DA63T. And don't worry about measurements and everything, we're going to go over that. But let's take a look at the wheel first. Isn't that amazing? By the way, bought this from Up Garage via Kruber, because obviously I don't live in Japan. And I'll drop links and information for all of that below. But for the meantime, check out that wheel. So it's aluminum wheel, pretty light. This one's brand new. Got a set of 4, they're brand new. And don't worry, we're going to go over all the measurements in no time. But yeah, since this is for the Suzuki Carry, it's a 4x100 bolt pattern. And as you can see, let's see if we can get this on camera. Looks pretty clear. Yeah, so it's 14-inch rim, 6-inch wide. So 14 inches in diameter and then 6 inches wide. And I'm going to throw some 155, 55, 14 tires on that. And I'll have some more details about all that in another video. Nice, look at that. So as you can see, they're a 14-inch in diameter and 6-inch wide. We've got a plus 38 offset, and then it's a 4x100 bolt pattern for the Suzuki Carry DA63T, and then it's got a 70.1 millimeter bore for the hub. So those are the measurements. You can pause, screenshot that, whatever you need to do. And then yeah, let's take a look at what else is in the box. It's pretty light, by the way. Awesome. Alright, let's take a look at what else is in the box. Alright, so we've got, for each wheel, we've got metal valve stem. Let's open that up for you guys. Nice little metal valve stem. We've got one valve stem for each wheel, and then for each wheel we also have center caps. Can't not have these center caps. So here's the center cap, made of metal. Looks like it just pops in with these dots. And that's going to go in just like this, and then you're going to have it sticking out a bit, SSR Speed Shark style. Let's go. And don't worry, we've got the sticker as well. Let me show you. So then you can pop that sticker on for the full Star Shark look. Alright. So once again, putting this on the Suzuki Carry DA63T, and gonna slap some 155 5514 tires on there. And if you want some info on the tires right now, you can check it out on my Instagram, but I'll definitely be uploading a video of that. This is 6-inch wide once again, so the 155 are going to be a bit stretched. It's going to be nothing crazy. I think it should look pretty good. And there it is. Alright, well, thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for the installation on this. Gonna have some before and after pics, all of the good stuff. Once again, thank you for joining. Let me just put it all together here for the final shot. And yeah, those are the Colin Project SSR Speed Shark wheels for the Suzuki Carry DA63T. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.